Hello everyone, my name is Gokulakannan from the batch of 2023 to 25, specialized in pharmaceutical management at IIHMR Bangalore. The journey here has been truly transformative, equipped me with skills and knowledges necessary to excel in healthcare and pharmaceutical industries. The institute's excellent curriculum, supportive and friendly faculty, and hands-on experience through interactive sessions like role plays, case studies, and group discussions coupled with a practical exposure during my summer training internship has been instrumental in developing my skills. A key highlight during my journey was presenting a poster at national level conferences. This gave me a platform to share my ideas, gain valuable feedbacks, and connect with industry experts. This experience, along with my mentor's guidance, significantly boosted my confidence and professional growth. I'm thrilled to share that with a strong placement support from IIHMR Bangalore, I secured a position at Avana Medical Devices Private Limited, making a significant milestone in my career. I'm truly grateful to IIHMR Bangalore for providing me with an enriching learning environment and preparing me to take the challenges in healthcare sectors. Thank you.